I got that are
Really good.
yeah.
That's it. That's it. Yep. That's the Morana character. That's him in the Oh, you have to get a ticket to go in? That mess up. Let me see what she said. Their style.
Mm-hmm. I learned something today. No, it's like Okapi.
Okapi, okay. Come on. You in front of? Alright. So we're gonna try the Skyfari, right? This is it.
Behind it.
Skyfari. We're gonna go on the Skyfari and see how that works. We're all going.
It's a foolishness. In the day,
You know, so all that's look at them. Ooh. Look at the fair. Listen, people, all right? Nebraska is showing out for us, okay? Nebraska going with itself. You know, I thought I was going to see, ooh, I forgot I had a fear of heights. I thought I was going to see more cows and buffaloes, but, you know, Nebraska. No, I thought it was going to be, what do you call it?
Mommy, I see rhinos.
And then we can go on that next.
Mommy, I see rhinos.
Yeah, right there. Is it?
It's your animals.
Yeah, her favorite animal, the rhino.
And now look at
Oh, it stopped, it stopped, it stopped.
And look
Look at these two.
two.
Look at these two, okay.
Mommy, look at our else I see.
Ooh, let's zoom in on the rhino. Oh, guys, we're literally above ground. Look at my foot them. Oh, it's too close. I zoomed in. Okay. Yeah. Oh, look there. Wait, what's that animal right there? Awesome. What's that animal right there with the?
From the deer family.
Yeah, it's looking like a little deer.
Not deer. I don't know. What do you call them? These white lines.
And I see something else.
Yeah, guys, we're out here vibing in Nebraska.
I see something.
I gotta get down.
Mommy, I
Yup.
see something
Oh my
else.
gosh, this is.
Like it call well, 'cause I don't know.
Yeah, okay, come on. Yes, AJ. It's autumn. Oh, you said. Oh, so the actual deer then.
Lines.
Yeah. And then people have to get on.
Yeah.
So the actual deer right there, so.
Every time it stopped, there's somebody coming
Yeah. You guys can see what I'm seeing. You don't have to.
Stop on gears.
Yeah, look at the deer. Oh my gosh, it's just giving a buzz. Okay.
Yeah, for somebody in, right?
Yeah, but okay. What's the rhino? Bombard. Got the rhinos over there, rhino. And big up my zoom. Big up my nice clean zoom. The next scene you see, guys, is us from that train. So let's look forward to that.
I see some rhinos.
Yeah, they do. They got some stripe. I guess a little view. Yeah.
They got black and white stripes.
Yeah. This. Thank God the hat like it's to me here. But this is nice. It would be so funny if as we're going, we see Keisha them a walk. That would be the highlights of the trip, eh? Don't see it, but it's okay. It's right there. Look at tiny turtle. And the one fish. Up two of them over there. So. You know, see it? Look right there. So you know, see it, Mama? Shaped like a cow, though.
Oh, it's a giraffe.
It's a what?
Oh, it's like a giraffe.
Oh, no.
Yes.
Lions, yeah. Lion paw. Yeah, man, big up himself. What's that? Yeah. Hi, guys. Them a tourist too. One them. Alden and AJ. Look, yeah, I got you guys. Picture.
I don't want her to drop.
Alright, I got the picture.
Oh, yeah, big glass.
Very close one too.
Ooh, I should have put my glasses on, huh? Okay. This whole time up here blind. I didn't even think to put my glasses on. We have
my glasses here.
Oh, she's in there. She's in the is it the lion's area? Oh no, she's close to it. Is there? Yeah.
Just swap down in the corner.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I can just. Ooh.
Damn.
But the only thing I'll say, I like how them create this big enough for them, like them have them own, you know? Yeah.
It's a sanctuary.
And they make it, you know, natural looking and thing. Yeah, them.
Curry?
Curry.
Curry.
Look at the curry goats.
Them have the pretty one there.
Yeah, a goat that are.
Really good.
Yeah.
Good?
Probably, yeah. Probably them climate for
They're
true.
everywhere.
Yeah.
They're with the rhino them there. So what is this?
Ooh. Sun too hot for this stopping, you know.
Because I mean, if you have your ride pass, you
can keep
it's
going.
It's not a whole lot of people.
Yeah. Oh, there's a giraffe. You did see it, Autumn. You see it? Right over there, somebody.
Okay.
Look at the giraffe. It's a hide, though. Yeah.
Wait, if I did giraffe, then where is the elephant? Wait, why did the giraffe see them? Grass, trees.
Everything okay?
Whoa!
Remember, don't touch the butterfly, right?
Ooh, this is nice. Huh? Nice and cool for them. They will come to us. Put your finger out. Maybe one will land on you, Autumn. Because I know you want the butterfly to land on you? No? We're big kids, so we're riding on the carousel. It's very dark in here. Have a little buzz. You can hold my hand. Hold my hand.
On the Egyptian food. Korean butter big man.
Alright, now time to go see the gorillas. Gorilla time. Ooh, let me show you the gorilla. What's your? You see him today? Yeah. I'm gonna have no address.
What's your name?
Oh, them, like bomb. Look what him I stare to.
The fish are blind.
Oh, he's a blind
Don't
fish.
they? The blind fish there.
Right here.
Yeah, blind. Yeah, see that? See starfish, huh?
Let's go find the starfish.
Ooh, there's some fish.
They must hide in the spot.
Starfish.
So fluffy. Look, if you're seeing this is the thing from Moana. Autumn, you remember we watched Moana? And the thing that ate all the jewelry? That's it. That's it. Yep, that's the Moana character. That's him in real life. Yeah, look at him. Him look like a thief.
And then
Him look like him thief in our real life.
and then Moana
Look at
gets
him.
trapped, and then they're
Yeah.
trying to trick them.
Yep, that's him.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah, that's someone from Nemo.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the girl from Nemo. Some tiny dories.
Big up Dory.
Big fish with a horn. I see some.
Look at me.
That's a big fish. It's not a shark, it's a shark. Shark. These are big sharks.
Yo, bad man. So I don't want the orangutan when I AC and then the monkey don't want to do it. Who them take the monkey for?
Oh, these are. I see peach and gorilla. Oh, I see them. They're moving. Why they're climbing? I got this.
The rope thing now.
I see it.
You see it?
Yeah, I see it.
I'm skin off on the picture for.
One more time, and then we can look at the zebra.
Come on, go look on the zebra them over there.
I saw some zebras in a zoo.
right there from the picture.
What is that? Oh, puppy. Oh, puppy.
This is me. Nebraska not owe nothing. Today was a day. We had fun and yeah, it was a vibe. I enjoyed it. Zoo was nice. There's certain parts of it I never too like, but other from that, it was a vibe. Yeah.